Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. Picture this, it is 3 a.m, your phone buzzes with a crystal clear 2000 pixel video of someone approaching your front door, the motion light snaps on and you tap to ask who they are through two-way audio, all without getting out of bed or paying a single monthly fee. That is not a dream, that is the Arlo Video Doorbell second generation, making your front porch a smart, secure zone. If you are tired of blurry door cams or subscriptions that add up fast, stick around because this battery-powered, app-controlled doorbell might be the simple upgrade your home door has been waiting for. And yes, grab it through the link in the description to support the channel at no extra cost. Let us ring in. First, let us break down the features that make the Arlo Video Doorbell a front door champion. This is not your basic wired button. It is a wireless battery-powered unit that mounts in minutes with included screws or adhesive, measuring 5.1 inches tall and 1.8 wide, weighing just 6 ounces for easy installation above or beside your door. The 2000 by 1584 pixel HDR video delivers sharp day footage and color night vision with a 180-degree diagonal field of view, so you see from sidewalk to doorstep without blind spots. The integrated motion sensor detects people, vehicles, and animals with customizable sensitivity and zones to ignore the street or focus on the path. Two-way audio with noise cancellation lets you chat clearly through the built-in speaker and mic, and the quick reply feature sends pre-recorded messages like "leave it there for deliveries." The battery lasts up to 6 months on a charge with rechargeable packs, and it connects via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi for live view, timeline playback, and notifications on the Arlo app for iOS or Android. It integrates with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT for voice announcements or smart home automations. And storage is flexible, local micro SD up to 128 gigabytes, or optional Arlo Secure Cloud starting at $5 a month for advanced AI. Setup is straightforward. Download the app, scan the QR code, mount the bracket, snap it in, and connect under 10 minutes total. I installed mine next to the door, charged the battery, and had my first delivery alert in full color that evening with two-way talk working flawlessly. Overall, it is an effortless entry watch that blends sharp video with smart alerts for peace without the price tag. I have been using it for 2 months, from daily deliveries to late-night checks, and the battery held strong through a week of high activity. Now, pros and cons, because real security means the full picture. On the pro side, the 2000 pixel HDR and color night vision are outstanding. You see faces and packages clearly, and the 180-degree view covers your whole approach. Motion zones cut false alarms by 80%, two-way talk feels like a conversation, and 6-month battery means no climbing ladders. At around $130, it is a value powerhouse with no subscription for basics, and the app is user-friendly. Users love the quick install and how it deters without being obtrusive. Bottom line, it enhances your doorstep, saves hassle, and feels reliable without the extras. The cons, fairly flagged, $130 is not free, though cheaper than wired rivals, and the battery needs recharging every few months, easy but requires a ladder. Wi-Fi must be strong. Spotty areas delay streams by 10 seconds. No built-in siren, and while motion is smart, fast-moving shadows can trigger. A few noted the chime is app-only unless you add a separate device. These are minor notes and a major win. So do I recommend the Arlo Video Doorbell? 100% yes, especially if you want wireless fee-free video with color clarity for your front door. The pros like sharp vision and easy talk far outweigh the cons for homeowners, families, or anyone wanting simple security. It is a doorstep defender that pays off in ease. If that is your entry, click the link in the description right now to snag it on Amazon. Best prices and deals await. Quick call to action: if this doorbell dive rang true, smash subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss the next home hack. Clicking that affiliate link keeps the security coming and costs you nothing. One last reminder, grab the Arlo Video Doorbell through the link below for the best pricing and our special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, team. If this secured your front, drop a like, share with a neighbor, or subscribe for more. Stay safe.